This is what I've done so far. And so all I have in here is just some glue and some slimes and then some foam things right here, foam letters, and yeah, and I have some pom-poms and one charm, and yeah, so and it is not looking pretty, just like the other parts of the slime.